Hi, I'm Mike Panoff, CEO of AppJar. We are building a consumer augmented reality system which allows blind and visually impaired users to navigate around the real world and avoid obstacles.
We do this by attaching a depth sensor to a smartphone and processing the depth map in real time at 30 frames per second. Here's how our patent-pending technology works. Based on the topography in front of the user, a unique acoustic image is generated. Think of it as a complex sonar chirp that sounds much different if obstacles are near or far, left or right, down low or up high. In our tests, without the benefit of sight or a cane, users have been able to learn this audio language very quickly and walk around our test area in as little as 5 minutes without bumping into anything. Until now, our biggest limitation was the requirement for headphones, which muffled sounds from the real world and caused both a nuisance and a safety hazard. BoseAR has solved this problem. It provides the high-fidelity audio necessary for users' brains to process the audio image, while at the same time keeping the ear canal unobstructed so the user can still hear ambient, non-app-generated sounds from the real world. In addition, BoseAR features, such as the built-in compass, allow us to provide the user with additional benefits, such as compass pings and directional beaconing. Even more, the gesture recognition feature allows for easy control over volume and app pausing or resuming.
We look forward to exploring how we can integrate BoseAR in ways that not only eliminate acoustic obstruction, but also leverage its unique sensor and gesture capabilities to enhance the functionality of the unit and make this a much more useful product.